Welcome to our guide on using Google Lens right in your Chrome browser. Open Chrome and enter Chrome flags #enable lens overlay in the address bar. Find Lens Overlay and set it to Enabled. Restart your browser. Next, set Google as your default search engine by entering Chrome Settings Search. Now, let's put Google Lens to work. Open a new tab. Click on Google Lens. Drag its image in the area. It will automatically search the image that's similar to yours. You can also visit any website in Chrome. Click the address bar and access to the Google Lens button there. Google Lens enhances your browsing experience with AI-driven search and questioning capabilities. Start exploring the future of browsing with Google Lens in Chrome today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech tips.